go over how to draw Catnap from Poppy Playtime 4. So let's do it. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a kind of line out over here on this side, line it over here on this side. And we're going to draw a curve underneath there connecting them. All right. Going to go over here, out over here, and curve to connect them right there. Line over here from the inside. Curve on the outside over here, and line it underneath. Continue on this side right here. Curve around. We got those eyes. By the way, what's your favorite character in Poppy Playtime? I definitely like the Huggy Wuggy's design the most for me. Line across over here for kind of that smile. And curve along the edge on that side. I'm going to draw a line right there. Let's find the ears. So we're going to go over here along this side, out, down right there. Out over here, line right there. Line out, like so. Line out, like so. Sweet. Line down. All right. Circle right here, circle right here. Dot, dot. All right. And now we're going to draw his body. He's got this like lumbering, like, how do you say, like, I don't know how to say it, like freaky weird body. So that's like top of his rib cage right there. Line over here for his arm. Curve here for the outside of his arm. And we're going to pull line down. Line over here. Line a little bit out for the joint right there. Or right here. These giant, really weird legs. And then line over here. Like so. For the claws right there, you can draw a line at the edge. Line over here. Let's go over here now. We're going to draw a... It's kind of like... it's a moon shape right there. Kind of like from this collar. Line over here. Over here on this side. Down. Out over here. Down. Out over here. In. Line. Line over here. Nail. Curve over here. Waist on this side. See kind of like you get the hips on that side. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. It helps out the channel a lot, and it kind of lets me know what you guys like and don't like. Gonna go over here now. Curve. Downward for the other foot. It gets a little bit big as it hits the bottom, and then you get the feet there. Let's go here for the tail. Gonna wiggle it out. Alright, like so. You got the tail right there. And something that, okay. Line right here to see where this leg is. So he's got this really strange kind of look to him, right? Now we're going to fill in something right here. I want you to fill in the eyes right here. That has to be dark. Otherwise, it's going to look like a normal cat. Right? So I'm filling this in to give it that dark, I don't know why. There's something scary about like the dark recesses of, the eyes. Same thing goes for the mouth, by the way. We're going to fill this mouth in. Otherwise, it just looks like a happy cat. But now, it's getting a little bit of that spook factor in, right? It's getting a little bit of that spook factor that we really want. Like I said, my favorite character is probably Huggy Wuggy as far as the characters go for Poppy Playtime. What's your favorite character like? Let me know in the comments. Kind of putting a line right here. Like so. Putting it around here. Cool, cool. Couple little lines around this side. Lines around here. Line, line. Line over here. Curve. Line over here on this side. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of dark over here underneath as well, because it's causing a cast shadow, right? If the light's coming from above. So maybe around this area, throw a little bit of darks right here as well on the leg. You can throw a little bit here underneath this area. Curve over here. And you can throw this other stuff you can throw. You can throw these little thin lines along the rib cage over here to make it look also a little bit different. Same thing along the back. You can throw the dots over there along the face. It generally doesn't really have any whiskers though, but you know that kind of helps. You can even throw a little bit of dark right here in the ears, because I know a lot of the ear is dark as well, but I didn't put that in as much. Yeah, it's kind of up to you, but it's like I said, it's fun to do this sort of stuff. It's fun to fool around. It's fun to fool around with different shapes and go into the designs of some of these characters. Check out the playlist, by the way. I put in a huge playlist of different characters as well. If you guys want, go check that out. It's going to be in the description. As far as anything else goes, that's it. I want you to, like I said, share the video if you can, and I want you to say hi to me in the comments, because I say hi to everybody. So I will say hi. So thanks so much. Stay around here for the next drawing lesson.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.